Yo.
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 Good.
What up?
What up?
What you guys liking today?
Can y'all hear me or not?
Meta and Tesla.
Good.
Alright. We hear you. HEAR, yes? Is Benji and everybody else talking? I can't hear them at all.
Yeah, you can hear me, George?
We hear you.
Are they talking? Yeah? What the fuck going on with this shit?
It's probably gonna be meta for me, Frankie, right off the rip. You thinking the same or?
Yeah, most likely.
Yo!
I don't know, because Tesla's the one that's moved the most. Well, I guess Meta has to.
Yo, you good, George?
Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
Yo.
Alright, we in there.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah, we good, we good.
Hell yeah.
Alright. What we got here at Open, fellas?
Meta and Tesla.
I'm stuck between Meta and Tesla. Meta, I for sure know I won't take on the first candle. This isn't the level where I would take on the first candle.
720s for Meta for sure. 705, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got
Tesla, I
both
kind
ready.
of want to. Tesla, I kind of want to wait on.
You want to wait for 320?
Yeah, maybe that consolidation though is pretty nice at the top there.
I liked 318 on it. Personally.
We got 2 minutes here. That shit moved like it was opening bell.
Meta did, yeah.
Everything.
We don't have any news or anything to worry about today. So we'll have
God
to see.
bless.
Next 2 days we do though.
Alright.
And Nvidia probably ain't happening.
Yeah, what are we looking at, guys?
I got Meta right now.
What do you guys like the most?
Meta. Right now.
Tesla and Meta.
That's it.
I don't know. I like both equally. I don't
You like
one
what?
more than the other. I like both equally.
There's Nvidia 145, but we're kind of far now.
Yeah, that was a nice little drop, huh?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna have to handle that thing from yesterday this morning, Frankie. So need you to hold it down for the first like 2 minutes so I can free
I
this up.
got you. Yeah.
And we're back. How much time we have left,
Dude.
Frankie? Oh, a minute.
Is Eddie up?
I don't know.
I already gave up on after a day.
Oh my god.
Eddie's not up? I don't think so.
I texted him like an hour ago.
And we begin. First candle, George.
720 is a little too cheap for Meta. I might do 710s instead.
Yeah. I'm up.
Yes, I'm still up too. I'm gonna wait though.
We're putting Meta close to doing a red to green, but it would be behind.
Yo, did y'all like 475 on Microsoft if that comes around?
Nope.
I'm passing on that.
All right.
George.
I'm here, bro. I'm with it.
All right. Guys, we're looking at 320 calls on Tesla. What are you doing here, though, George?
I'm just holding everything.
All right, I'm still there.
Oh, Lord.
Whoa.
No.
Oh my God.
Holy.
Are we gonna leave that, George?
I think he's leaving.
I don't know. I don't think so, actually.
Yeah. Look at that candle.
I'm selling right here.
All right.
Damn, I fucking bullshitted there. Actually, I only
Let's just-
sold half. I only sold half.
All right. Yeah, we swung, guys. So don't even worry about what we're talking about right now.
Sorry. Damn, I got soft there, bro. But that was aggressive.
Yeah, that was scary.
That's still a nice profit though off that half.
What
Oh,
is this candle though? What are we? You? What are you interested? Where are you interested at, Frankie? So I know where you're thinking.
Run 318, 318.50.
So nothing soon here, right?
No. Mm-mm.
What's
Not with
Q?
these
Yeah.
candles
Oh,
too.
QQQ is having some wild candles as well.
I like 318 as well. That's where I'm looking at it.
Mm-hmm.
I just got out there.
So we're good off of that.
Those
heard me,
candles
Nor?
are volatile.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Alright, bet.
What percentage you get, George?
619 to 665. I was waiting to start scaling out above 316.
Mm-hmm. I thought they would have done more. $6 pop on Tesla overnight.
I mean, I sold at 313 right there, technically.
Nah, he sold. Yeah, he sold right at break even, basically.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm saying like because we closed at around
No, we were-
308.
No, we were up crazy.
Yeah, I was up almost 5,000 there at the top.
What the hell?
Yeah, so
Damn.
How
I
much
was
did
up
you
We're
go
doing
in with?
numbers then.
I was up 40,000, Frankie.
Jesus
Holy
Christ.
shit.
here
You're
we
really
go.
looking for a money bun, huh?
Still am.
So yeah, for me, run Tesla won't be till like 318, like Benji said, because that's where he like. That's where I
Yeah,
live.
yeah.
So just making sure the chat
Just
knows.
get rid of this shit.
I'm not gonna lie though, depending on how we set up, 316 is starting to set up, Noor. I might
Oh, I
take
know.
up.
I was just thinking.
Yeah, I'm
about
waiting
that.
for these candles to fucking get it together. It got upgraded this morning right before market open. I sent you guys the link. Guys, I'm looking at the 320 calls, and it could be an earlier entry. I'm gonna set an alert.
They're buying it up and they're also selling it. It's just in a small range right now.
Yep.
Yeah, but these candles are volatile.
How much is this up? Oh, $4.50 here.
Sucks for Nor, but like the good thing about this range right now is that the IV is kind of settling for us, looking to
Yep.
infiltrate it.
Yep.
What contracts? Let me go to it because I'm still sitting on Meta. Probably 320s, I would assume.
Yeah, they're gonna be the 320s for me.
Yeah, definitely three. Well, yeah, I'm either doing 320s or 325s. Chat. So
Yeah, 325s are fine as well. Still
I don't know.
Tuesday.
Yeah. I think 320s will be a little too pricey for me at the top.
Nothing else is happening, right? We're
No.
chilling right now.
Nvidia dropped heavy. Market dropped heavy.
330s are fine, but don't get used to playing that far out on Tesla. Because it is Tuesday, I can get away with playing 330s. for whoever asked.
Now you're tough.
I'm just letting this rock right now.
Yo, your P&L every second moves up 10 or down 10.
Has he never seen the SPX trade?
Huh?
Have you never seen Nor's like $100,000 trade?
He wasn't. Oh wait, he wasn't. Actually,
no,
he was
well, for
there
the-
for some of it. He wasn't there
for
for
the
that last
video.
bit of it.
Oh, okay.
Ian, you gotta go to the TikTok and look at the pinned video. It's like a reel of all
Oh.
those trades. It's crazy.
That was like 3 years ago, right?
Yeah,
I don't even
that's our
know,
most
bro.
viewed one.
I'm literally sitting here. I saw it move like 20 grand. And he's talking about a different stock. Doesn't make no
That's crazy.
sense.
That link work, Ian?
Ah, yeah, it did. Thank you.
All right.
But make sure, yo, if he asks for one, don't.
That right?
Yo, Frankie, you so goddamn gullible.
Motherfucker.
Meta's almost at 701, Frankie.
It's not being gullible, E.
Yo, we want downside at all here.
I didn't see it.
Personally, Tesla, I don't see it. George, I think George is your guy for that.
Not yet. No,
I'm
well,
personally gonna get Meta ready. 'Cause that's at 701 right now, and it's closer than Tesla.
All right, market's pushing.
311 don't look half bad though. Not gonna lie.
311.
Yeah, I know. That's why I thought Nora was bringing it up.
I think this is. Oh, Meta's coming back up slightly. It's
My
above
entry.
700.
I'm thinking around 704 or 60. My alert's at 65 cents right now, so. Google, that's all on you, man. I'm not trading those stocks when we got Tesla and Meta back on the radar.
What do we say? The 710s, Frankie? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
The
have.
720's got like double the volume though.
Way too cheap.
He started not showing up anymore.
IMO.
Nah, bro, I want to see you every morning. You start sending links. You start getting links. We will not see you at all.
All right, yo, focus up. Market's at high of day.
And we're gonna get hot today.
New high on QQQ. 532 just broke.
Meta's at almost 702.
You're taking it where? 705?
Yeah. 705 is the area that I'm looking for a breakout. Yeah.
Tesla just started moving. I don't know if I'm a fan of that yet.
There's a 5-minute trend on Meta right at 704, so we'll be above that before we get in.
The only thing I don't like is that both the plays that I was looking at, both stocks are behind. Hopefully that changes.
This QQQ is just strong.
MSTR? Hell no.
But yeah, they're seeing some herb stocks this morning, bro.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Guys, just be patient here. I know you're used to the quick shit, but just be patient.
If Tesla and Meta have been back on the radar for a while now, that's what I'm sticking to. There's no reason for me to diverge into other stocks that are less consistent. I'd rather be red on Tesla than trying MSTR.
Yo, facts. We're at 702.50.
Yeah,
Alright,
Tesla just got to push too.
Yeah, Tesla's aggressive. I think if we get this 3, if we come up here without them, like, look, pull back in the market and Tesla's red to green. So yeah, this is good. I'm looking to play this at 315.60, guys. My alert's 315.65.
You like that more than Meta?
Personally, yeah. I'll be honest with you.
Jorge?
Same. I'm sticking with Tesla here.
You like it at 16 with them?
Yeah.
The 1 hour is about to close above my support, which is 314.10. The candle's about to close. Still 19
When do the
minutes.
when do the 4-hour candles close?
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
3. Yeah, that's my alert for entry for Tesla.
Someone said no, or even with the pre-market trend line. I don't have
Pre-mar-
Tesla pulled up, so
it's above it. Yeah.
okay.
Well, you said 315.60 area?
I said yeah, 315.65. Yeah. Why is there a trend there that I'm not seeing?
No, that's where I have my alert. I just want to make sure we're on the same page.
So pullback right here on the market. Be nice to see Tesla or Meta start to have a decent push without it.
They're both doing okay. Meta's, I think, doing a little bit better there.
Yeah, they're both doing all right. I just have to. I'm going lighter if market's pushing and both stocks hit their areas.
You have what's your alert on Meta?
Nervous, bro.
704.65 as of right now.
A little bit.
Don't know if that's a little too early, but with how it was moving yesterday, kind of treating it the same today.
Oh, here comes Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla
Never
doing.
mind.
its thing. Oh my God, big red candle in the market.
I was
Yep.
just about to say, and Tesla's not too bad right now.
Yeah, I'm liking Tesla more now.
I'm a little nervous, George.
Oh.
So if you guys don't think 315.65 is good, just let me know.
No, I like it. I said
yeah.
it before. I said it before y'all even brought it up. I like the consolidation. No close
Big
above.
candle in the market. Holy fuck! Is there an area like? Is this a zone for you?
625 was the first level of resistance for me.
60-20 on ES is important. Like that
Yeah.
is an actual resistance.
So yeah, and then that's pretty much where it's at right now. I'm just rejecting.
Same
Tesla-
thing with NQs. 900 area on NQ is really important too. Is 800 to 21,000 or 22,000 area is important.
It's Tesla's quick down to the downside now, Nor.
Yeah, whole market just dropped though.
Meta's still holding as of now. Holding 700 as of now at least.
Yeah.
Tesla almost red to green here. See what happens.
I'm out here tapping my feet and shit. No, honestly, Adam, I'm just bored right now. That's all it is for me right now. Meta seems to be the most realistic one happening as of now. Though.
Frankie,
Yeah.
the 715s have really good volume.
I mean, so did the 710s now. We're at 2K now. These actually
Yeah.
picking up. Honestly, yeah, 715s or 710s are both really fun. 720s are a little too far though.
Green or red there on Tesla, Nor.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let go
Yo,
of it.
Google did just pop off. That's kind of crazy.
What the fuck is that? That has to be news? That's $2 move on one candle on Google.
OpenAI type Google and cloud deal for more compute.
Oh yeah.
What kind of candle did it do? Oh,
$2.
what the
Wow.
fuck?
Yeah, bro. Yo, Meta's almost
That's
at
funny.
703.
Still kind of stuck between the 710s and 715s now. I'm actually we're jump switching to 715s.
I'm sticking to 710s right now just because of how. Oh shit, there it goes. No, I'm not. No. Those are the contracts that we're looking at, Donovan. I'm looking at the 710 still. I may switch to the 715s, maybe. We'll see. But I know Frankie's looking at the 715s.
Both are valid.
Yeah, both
I
are
just
bad.
like the way 715s are. I like the spread on those better. Looking at both.
You're not interested in downside anymore, Nor?
Nah, I was just asking if you guys were looking at downside.
It's weaker now.
I'm personally gonna wait a little.
I'm
Yeah,
also biased, so
yeah. No. Yeah, I'm waiting. Google with the rejection there off the trend line.
Oof, damn.
30-minute trend.
The
Google.
rejection on Google. Yeah.
I broke the 4-hour trend.
I was saying Google, but that only happened because of news already. Like if that wasn't for news, this stock would still be doing nothing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
don't let it get
unless
over
you
your
knew that
head.
unless you knew that
No
news was
cap.
coming out.
Mm,
Now, if you would have said, "Hey, news on Google coming," then you know.
Yeah.
see,
then-
now, that would have been something. We would have put you on the team ASAP, Rock.
yeah. Y'all remember when we predicted that BA news like a long time ago when we swung it?
Hey, those contracts are holding, Nor.
yeah, I guess.
Or am I tripping?
Nah, it
believe
is.
in
It is, but it's just
I know. I'm just like I just noticed they're at $6 still right now.
yeah.
It's pretty much.
You'd only be down like 2%, 3%.
Yeah, $200 maybe, 300.
What about a mic real quick? Would have.
Market's starting to push here now, Nor.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let go of this soon. I'm gonna probably let go before the new low.
What's Nvidia at? Trash. Yep.
I'll let go before the new low as far as my stop loss most likely here. Cause I can always just get back in. It's all right.
Google's back up there. I'm not interested, but weird. I want to see how it reacts after news.
What about
like that.
180? Nothing.
No, I think I'm
I haven't
staying
looked
away.
at it that far.
I thought about it for a second, but no, I'm good.
Google's not like a Meta or Tesla, you know what I mean?
Oh, there's a
Like,
30-minute trend on Google.
On a day like
Actually,
this,
really good trend.
like maybe if I had profits to play with, maybe. I want to start my day off right.
Ooh, y'all, look at the
freaking-
30-minute. That
with
30
freaking
minutes
Google.
nasty.
Yo, for some reason, I think Tesla's gonna have a quick rally here, even with or without the market. It's just showing me that there's a base here. If not, though, I mean, fuck, Meta's not even close yet. So
No. So again, so everyone knows, either watching Tesla at 316 or Meta at 705. Tesla's more of a recovery play at this point now. Because the original level
I
was
like these types of
318.
plays better though, because we've been catching these recently a lot.
I agree. I've been watching them. Yeah.
You get more volume and momentum there, rather than a straight up play.
Yeah, look at Google. That new high would have been trash, bro.
Nah, look at the trend.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, on the 30
The
minute,
30
right?
minute.
Yeah, the 30 minutes
Oh,
nasty.
I haven't looked at it yet. Hold on, let me pull it up.
Bro, 1 cent off.
Oh man, bro. Especially with news, like you're getting killed on those Google pullbacks. Like Google pullbacks are already pretty nasty. Those top of it. I'm glad we called it trash, Luke.
AMD's strong right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this again. I'm gonna stick to
Nah,
just Tesla
no.
and Meta. If I had profits to play with, I'd probably look at it. But I got nothing to play with right now because I'm cash. So I'm gonna just stay as safe as possible and just stick to these two stocks. Because typically Tesla, even though it sucks, sometimes it does take a little time to cook. I'm willing to wait for that rather than trading AMD or Google. So
Yeah, I feel that.
that's just telling the whole chat too, Benji, because a lot of them
No, I know.
be the
bro.
ones to like trade other stuff, and then when these stocks do come around, they're red and they only come out break even because of it.
Or they don't have buying power because they wasted it.
Exactly. So I think it's better to just stick to our bread and butter. That's just me though. If you guys want to trade whatever, be my guest though. All right, I'm not gonna be the one to tell you not to. If you guys want to like call it, I guess quote unquote back test or like try a trade out because you don't know how it'll play out, but you know that what's it called? You're kind of just like back testing the trade. Be my guest. That's what I do, right? So Tesla looking a lot better now. Market's having a candle now right now though.
George, you see the contracts?
Yeah, they're holding up, bro. I think.
Market's ripping though.
Yeah, that's why I brought that up. It looks like Tesla's what I'm getting ready then.
Why Meta? Oh yeah, Meta's right at 700.
Yeah, it's still not doing nothing. Tesla's actually doing some pretty aggressive recovery.
I was thinking about an
What was
earlier entry if the market wasn't pushing like that, but now I'm gonna have to wait to that what I wanted, the 65 cents.
Yeah, I want to see how it reacts at 314.50.
As of right now, Lauren George, I'm looking to get in at 315.50 because that's where most of the wicks are at.
Okay.
I was thinking 315, but I think that's a little early with the market pushing right now.
Exactly.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, like I was planning on if this got these types of candles into 315, I would have took it. But the market push, market's pulling back now, and Tesla's just holding up with the green candle. So let's see how much it can hold up here.
You here, George?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just making sure you didn't get like a water or something.
No, thank you though. I like the plan you got going. I'm with the same same stuff there. It's pushing out
Alright.
here without the
Oh,
market.
yeah. Oh, I don't like this. I love it.
All right, so 314.50 is right here. So what I'm gonna do personally, since I have a swing, which has nothing to do with y'all, I'm gonna be adding to my position. I'm just letting you know, so if you guys watch my YouTube stream later, you understand what's going on.
Market's dropping heavy.
Yeah, big market pullback, and Tesla's having a green candle into a level that I have, which is 314.10. So I want to see that hold.
Opening price is 315 pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Wait, what'd you say, George?
Opening price is 315, pretty much. He said.
Yeah, okay, all right. HR is ready to record. I think HR's been recording the entire time.
Okay, if we catch this 315.50, this will be a scalp, and then the big trade will be at like 318, most likely. Right? We're taking that separately.
Yeah, correct.
Just making sure we're all trying to do the same thing here.
What would be your target for the scalp? Like 316 break?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Let's go.
That's
All right,
close.
guys, getting ready. We're looking at the 320 calls. Market's pulling back.
Come on, no about to buy me a Tesla today.
We're looking to enter around that 50 cent level. I'm in. Oh shit! Here we go, guys. 316 is where I'm looking for my target. Oh my god, 20 cents, guys. That's with the market pulling back. Here we go, guys. Oh my! Oh my
Wow,
god!
that just paid.
Wow.
I didn't sell.
Holy.
There's a trend right here, so guys, be careful.
I'm still in with you, Nor.
All right, I'm about to sell half. Oh my god! I'm trying to sell half because I have that swing from last night, guys. So I have to get rid of it. Pull back in the market.
That was a great trade. Beautiful.
Yeah, target was 316. I just didn't get to sell. It was too quick. I was focused on level 2. There's a trend at 316.19, but the fact that the market's pulling back like this and Tesla's holding up, I might have to hold past that. Are you holding past that?
I am still in with you. So
I'm in with
look
you
at
as
that candle
well.
in NQ.
Oh
I'm in
Yo,
my
look
too.
god. I'm not selling
Yo, we're
yet.
oh my days, bro.
I got 2/3 left. I'm selling above 75 cents a third.
I sold everything right there.
Nice, Frankie.
I just fucking made 4K on that.
Nice.
2K.
All right.
What do you mean 2K?
Because Frankie got to pay his dues.
Oh.
Yo, Frankie,
Yo.
I'm going to text you my Zelle.
I got you with the mortgage too, bro. Don't worry.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing too much or I should let go here, George. What do you think?
I think you should definitely get rid of some, at least half. You're still in with the full position from last night and at it. I definitely
Yeah.
sell half. Sell half.
All right.
That
Market
way we-
just started pushing.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause Tesla still does look good, but
does
I'm
look
with.
good.
I think you do gotta start selling some.
Because
It saves yourself the headache. You give yourself some more room to play with, and then you also got the day trade on top of it.
yeah, the 318 is still left anyway, so I like the momentum earlier, but I'm getting ready to stop on the rest. On my third, 2/3.
You have a third left?
No, 2/3. I have 2/3 left.
Am I taking it again at 318? Yes, if we set up correctly.
See, it's doing its own thing here. I'm not sure myself either here.
I'm barely red, bro. I didn't get to sell anything at the top.
I wanted to
Magic.
fill at 6, but because that was the original high. We touched the first time, and then we had that red to green, and the contracts didn't make a new high right there.
You did the 520s or the 525s?
325s.
Or, yeah, that's what I meant.
What would be
Damn,
my
bro, I got-
alert?
I got a trash buy, I think.
Give me a second, chat. Let me look at this again.
New
Alright.
high plan.
Yeah, new high coming in. My stop for the rest is 315, so pretty much break even, Nor.
All right.
Chat. I would look at around 317.70 as an entry for 318. Because that's
317 what?
where the trend line. I mean, I'll send the chart here just so you guys aren't confused or something. But this is my thought process behind it. If Tesla starts doing something, just tell me to shut up. this is a 5 minute. We have a trend line on the 5 minute. It's on a shorter time frame, so I have to put some respect on it. And actually, it does look kind of valid there, but it does line up with my entry. So the worst case possible is that it just rejects off my entry and I stop out quick. But I think that gives me enough room to play this.
Did you say?
Made it bigger.
They said it's gonna get bigger.
What's the high on Tesla? 316.70.
67.
67. Yep.
Oh man, new high coming in. Guys, I'm getting ready to sell half on that position. Remember, target was 316. I just ended up holding.
I'm gonna sell another third on the new high when you sell your half.
Market's coming up too.
All right, we'll get that. Oh my god.
Oh my god. 2 more cents.
Let me know if it
I haven't
breaks.
sold- Oh, I just broke it. I
sold
sold another
half.
third, Nor.
Can I
I
get
sold
that?
half.
625.
I'm gonna get ready to sell the rest here. I know this is premature, but got to. I'm in a heavy position.
Sell quarter. No, and you know what? Never mind. No, let me not sway you.
Yeah, please.
Nor's in the
Oh
zone, so
my
we'll just
God.
say Nor, just stick to your
I
own.
sold everything.
All right,
$60,000 a day.
I'm out with you then.
60,000.
Good shit,
$60,000
bro.
a day.
What the hell?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my heart's beating a little bit, but
Yo.
fuck, bro.
What time is
No,
it?
32 minutes in.
let me. Is it just because you
That was
haven't been
like
with
the
that
first
size
time I
in a
had
while?
to like really think about that one, huh?
Is it because you haven't been with that size in a while?
Nah, it's the fucking swing, bro. I'm not a swinger.
Oh, okay. Pause.
He's not Diddy.
Pause.
Oh shit. Yo, where are we trading this? 3.8. My actual level.
It just rejected off my alert.
All right, 317.94 is my stop. I mean, my stop. My actual level.
I'm gonna wait a bit though.
I do want to wait as well. I'm
Yeah,
not trading
like,
this
even
shit
though
right
it did reject just now, I think I want to wait a bit.
Yeah. I would like to see a 315, like, maybe not even
Wait,
that
let me
far
get W's
down.
in the chat real quick. Yeah. Guys, let me get W's in the chat real quick to start off our day. I'm not taking Tesla right now, so it doesn't even matter. I'm on my phone. W's in the chat so we break the chat. Come on. Break it. Break the chat. Where's everybody? Break it. I like that. That's what I like to see, guys. We waited 30 minutes for that trade and it worked out beautiful. Fuck, bro, my hands are shaking.
He's so fast.
Nah, I'm holding the camera to record the W's. My hands are shaking. All right. Zoe, you caught that? All right. How are we doing this, guys? In what way are we doing this?
I need to lock in. All right.
Yeah, this is starting to set up nicely. At the moment, I have my alert at 78 cents.
You left your phone at home?
Yo,
82 actually.
Happened?
Oh no.
The wire came in, by the way, Nor. So
$57,750 for that.
See? This one.
Yo, $57,750 to start my morning, and we're only 34 minutes into the day.
You have a different color than green.
Yeah. This.
Yeah.
What's
All right,
your alert, Frankie?
$57,750 to start off my day. We're only 34 minutes into the market.
On my days.
Literally the 70-cent mark. Rejected there twice now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my alert there. I think that's a good alert. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, Nor, the wire hit.
Trying to buy a Tesla for someone?
I don't think
Wait. What'd you say, Frankie? I'm sorry.
that the wire hit. So
Oh, all right, bet. Yo, guys, by the way, Frankie paid for my PJ on my way back from LA. Shout out to my rich friends. The wire just hit, so I paid him back. And it got your Amex got that fire.
I was surprised when it said when I pre-checked it that it was good.
Amex.
Oh, I got you.
I need to pay my
Oh, you did the spending power check, Frank?
Yeah.
Bro,
Nice.
40,000 cleared on his Amex on one
How
shot.
many points you got?
Oh, you just got mad points, Frankie.
Yeah, I know that was the other part.
Sounds like a
Japan's
free
gonna be
flight
for
to me.
free now.
Yep. Yeah, I'm not doing this swing shit again, bro. My hands is still like, I don't know if it's a coffee in this, but like, we're not doing that again.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
Fuck.
Diddy.
Yo, someone just commented on my YouTube. Why don't you trade Forex/futures? Oh, leave
He's
me.
not a fake trader.
Did you share the swing? No. I told you guys that was a private swing.
No, are you
Something
still trading this or not?
What, Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it comes back up.
All right.
Where are you planning to take it? Before 318, right?
317.70.
All right.
Why? What were you thinking? Is that too early for you?
Nah, I was just asking.
All right.
The swings, man, you gotta think about. I was sweating myself. You know what I mean? Then you have everybody in the chat. Like, I'm sweating because I swung too, right? But
Yeah.
I was sweating, bro. Like, I can barely handle that shit. Nor is, over there, a little bit. Imagine y'all. So y'all don't want those issues this early in the morning.
Your guys' feet are tapping. You guys are like doing weird stuff while trading. I don't want to imagine you guys in a swing.
What?
No cap.
Fuck. It was a good entry on Tesla though. For the day trade.
Oh yeah. No, that was a really good entry.
I did cheat. I'm not gonna lie.
Fuck you.
We already know.
Yeah, same. I cheated too.
Yeah, I shared my screen. You guys can see my PNL in the corner. $57,750.
Cheating or not, I'm never gonna beat Nor.
Look at fucking Google. Trash ass stock, bro. Who brought this bullshit ass stock up?
He's in the call with us.
Benji, huh? Fucking Benji.
Yo.
Benji's been bringing up some bullshit lately.
Google's still trying to go
If
for
I
it.
don't point it out and it goes crazy, then y'all are gonna be like, "Yo, you didn't see
Yeah,
it."
why is my stomach doing
That's
that?
a joke though.
I'm
I
just
don't know.
kidding.
I don't know if that part's obvious.
I'm just kidding, Benji.
Yo, Tesla.
Tesla, yeah.
You actually want to eat this early?
This is why I don't think North. This is why I don't know if Tesla's actually a good lock. Nor's not locked in right now.
You said, nah, it's
No
not.
cap.
Bro.
Ever since you got out of your trade, you seem like not locked in. So I was like, are we done? Or
Bro, it's just because it's just been a lot. I stayed in that through 311, bro, and I was only break even on that basically. So it was like, yo, what happened? Which is, I don't use that shit. I know, but I don't use it. Oh, yo, Tesla, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
I switched over to 325 calls. No, it's my birthday on June 12th. Can we get a bus and trade for that day? I need me a gift. Yeah, that was crazy, bro. Why? You gotta pause that.
Iman, yeah. The 325s is what I've been trading. I say like I've been taking multiple trades, but I've only taken one trade, but those are the ones I traded, and I like how they moved.
This is holding without the market, Nor. QQQ's on a drop here. ES as well.
Brought the yo, man.
This consolidation here is nice on Tesla.
Market's pushing now. Yo, Ian, where's my hat, bro? I'm looking crazy every day on the stream.
Huh?
Where's my hat? You too, Zoe? fuck is my hat? Huh? Yeah, I know, but it's not my crib. Why do I have to come get it? Bro,
That's
y'all both took a
crazy.
hat and y'all both have good hats. The fuck?
Stop by and come see my bed.
No. Fuck.
Yo, you gotta go run to the door and be like,
Yo, him and the dog could probably communicate.
Yo, E, check this out. Yo, E made me roll my car yesterday, bro. For some weed, bro.
Be careful, bro.
Yo, he asked me for a ride.
Oh,
Maybe
straight this shit.
Maybe make a pep stop. And now I don't have a front lip.
Oh, you didn't go down right. You're supposed to go to the right. Just go right.
Bro, he knew about it, though. That's why I'm mad, bro. Because he didn't want to walk up the little hill.
Yo, where did you guys fill at on the day trade for the buy? I just want to know where I was at. I got filled at 740. You guys can see it on my screen.
I got 560, but I did the 525
Oh.
or the 325.
I got 710.
About 707. I cheated though.
Looks like we're all around the same except Chris Delgado got a fucking head start. Oh man, my legs.
Yo, it's fun.
It's just stupid.
Ghoul is going for it now, Benji. Unless your favorite stock.
Yeah, I need to make a withdrawal today.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Oh, I gotta buy this fucking couch. Yes.
Fuck Google, George.
I have to buy a couch today. RH. 23,000.
Bro, that place's
3,000.
furniture is crazy expensive,
Actually?
bro.
Nigga want the points. Oh shit.
Here goes Google.
Wait, 23,000 for a couch?
Yeah. It's like the cloud couch from RH.
Bro, you don't even want to do that. Try to see. Let me try to see if I can find where they get this stuff from.
Ahmed is one of them. I didn't even text him. I don't know if I should.
Yo, bro,
My
stop.
slipper. My slipper.
What? Yo, bro.
Always got somebody with 50% off. No, my hands on the gas station right here.
You saw the bet I got last night, Ian? Saw the bet I got last night?
Bet?
Yeah. The blanket warms you up too.
My favorite.
Oh, you trying to. That's where you're going to host the dinner parties?
You want to be dried up?
Take that. Yeah. You trying to get dry?
Bro, come on, bro.
Try to get rinsed? Yo, so.
Yo, rain on you?
Yeah, done.
Yeah, y'all be
Try to get
taking
rinsed.
these mornings as a joke, bro. Right, E? I think this shit is a game.
What happened? Sorry.
I'm so nervous from that trade.
You're still nervous?
Nah, I'm just saying they don't. Yo, what the fuck? Google broke.
I think you got to do it again to like get the jitters off. You know,
Nah, bro, I still got them and it's
It's-
annoying right now.
it's like PEMDAS. You know, you got to do it again to like cancel it out.
No.
What?
Bro, no. I had it on the floor away from the couch for a reason.
See, that's crazy.
Not to play some allergic to the
Who
couch.
remembers PEMDAS in here?
I do.
Word. Don't be serious. You come over here, you turn this shit to a nigga.
Yo, Tesla just got
All right.
smoked.
Yeah, now with that happening on Tesla, Q&A.
All right, Q&A, let's go.
Yeah, I'm with that. Yeah.
Because I was waiting because of how close it was, but we got time now. What doesn't Ian trade? I don't know, honestly.
Yo, look, Ian. Look what T said.
No,
Yo.
no, it's crazy.
Ian trades. Wow.
Something told me don't go to this.
That's wild.
Yo, chill, cause it might be.
So what?
Chill.
He's so.
Yo, Ian trades baby oil. Someone said.
They were on Johnson and Johnson. Yo, you know what's crazy?
Mm.
Before
What
you
makes Google trash you,
think about
Frankie?
Johnson and
It's
Johnson,
just not consistent.
oh,
It's just not a really consistent stock.
Yo,
Too
wait,
many fake outs.
Frankie, should I show how much I'm up for the month or not yet?
I mean, you already kind of post. I mean, if people in the chat are pocket watch, I don't say pocket watch.
Wow, they
They're
start
just
on
counting.
Friday though, so they already know based on yesterday and today.
No, because we posted it on Saturday. Right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it.
Fuck.
But that's for June.
God. Shit.
How many trading days has it been though? Let's see.
Yo, bro, where's Maki at?
That's 7 trading days, bro.
7 trading days.
How
what
do you
is that?
decide what contract to buy? I can't tell if you're serious or not, Donovan. I think you've been here for a while, but you put a skull emoji, so I'm not sure if you're trolling me.
46. It comes out to 46,000 a day.
Serious. Okay. So when we're looking, there's like two ways, right? It varies from stock to stock, but typically, and I say varies because of how far you can play out. But typically on how you pick on choosing is if we're looking to take a trade at open, you want to look at what has the most open interest. Open interest equals how many contracts were held overnight. So from close at 4 p.m., how many contracts of like everyone holding, institutions, retails, whoever, that's accounted for open interest. So typically, whoever has the highest open interest is relatively close to what we're playing, to like the price level. That's typically what you want to play because it makes sense where those are going to have the most volume, because that's where all the volume's at. That was overnight. But like the other part is you want to look at volume, typically on where you want to look at to buy the contracts. Maki typically tells people with a delta. Delta is how many cents your contracts will move per dollar. So let's say a delta is 40 cents on Tesla 325 call. That means for every dollar stock moves, on average, your contracts are going to gain 40 cents, equaling to $40. So typically, you want to look for a delta, I would say, of at least 30 cents to 50 cents, because that typically puts you either at the money or a little bit out the money, like maybe 1 to 2 strike prices out. And along with that, you also want to look at volume, because at that point, open interest doesn't matter anymore. Once you're kind of like maybe an hour into the market, it doesn't matter. But maybe like a stock like Tesla, or maybe most of the stock trade, because open interest is like it's a calculation for open trade for while market's been open. Where can I find your Mumu code? Whenever you do get into the WAP, if you connect your Discord, so it's in the Discord as well. It's in multiple places. You can either look at Nor's descriptions on his YouTube videos. You can go to the Discord. I mean, I'm gonna copy and paste it here in a second, but you can go to his Discord as well. I guess the Stock Hours Discord, and then go to the Mumu tab, and then the link will be in there. I'll send it right now. I'm gonna click it just to make sure that actually says Nor Trades. Yeah, that's that one's it.
But Tesla's holding that opening price pretty well.
I'm still watching it closely. I'm gonna give it like maybe 10 more minutes though, and then I'm gonna walk away.
Yeah. I'm leaving at 10:30 myself. Yo, are
yeah,
you
pretty
on
much Donovan. Yeah. What's up?
Frankie? Are you on Mumu yet?
The
Did
money
you try
just
it?
hit today. Nah, yeah, the money
Oh.
actually just it just deposited today, or I guess it just like hit.
It took.
Dude, I
It
ain't
took
gonna lie
like
to
2
you.
or
I
3
think
days.
Mumu's so smooth, dog. Like Mumu's super smooth in my opinion.
I just need to set it up on my PC now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't know like. I don't know like all the tabs and stuff on it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's only getting better because they're still trying to make it better, you know?
No, yeah,
I'm
facts.
coming around at the
that
right
app,
time
bro,
because
like
that.
I know you be taking fucking trades at the gym sometimes, Frank.
Oh, bro, the only trade I've ever taken on Mumu is on the app. Bro, it was the cleanest experience ever.
Bro, it is
Yeah, the
so
app's nice,
clean.
bro.
Bro, it's literally all on the same screen, buying and selling. It's crazy.
Can't you see
No
the chart
pop-ups.
like on it too?
You can see
Bro,
I don't
time and
everything.
remember.
sales, bro.
Tabs and sales, bro, literally everything you need. It's crazy.
That's
Taking
probably
Oh
like
yeah,
the only app I would be okay with people trading off the phone.
Frankie,
yo wait,
along the same
how
question of which contract you said earlier, one was too expensive. Why not just buy 10 contracts at the $10 versus $20 for at $5? It's
how
not
long
about
did
how
it
many
take your
contracts,
funds,
but it's.
Frankie?
I mean, it's typical. So like for me, typically, it's easier for me to calculate risk on lower, I guess, cheaper contracts. So for me, I typically try to stick to from $3 to $6 contracts. I hate trading $7 contracts or higher. Because they tend to be more volatile, and then the risk, like 10% on that, is 70 cents per contract or 80 cents per contract or higher. You get the point, right? So it doesn't make sense for me to want to trade those contracts with a heavier position and have a 10% stop loss when I have to be in the trade longer. It just doesn't suit my style. How long did it take for the funds to clear on Mumu? Well, I just did an account transfer, so it took like what 4 to 5 business days. I didn't do a wire. How many contracts did you trade on Tesla? I actually sized up on that one. I did 60. Which is like what, 30K position size? Which is like what my old size was. But because of how the market's been moving, I was comfortable doing that because of the consistent like follow through that we've seen recently. It doesn't mean I'm gonna go in tomorrow with the same size again, but it was just this one instance where Tesla is doing literally everything right in my eyes, and I saw the opportunity to go in heavier. Is there any way to get this ungated? With what? Oh, that I don't think there is. I forgot what Jeff said though. What's the rule with trading same day contracts on Mumu? They have to be at the money, right? What tells you how much contract is gonna be open? There's calculators for that. But if you've been trading for a while, I don't know how to explain the way that Nord does it. So I don't know if Nord wants to get on the mic and explain it. I started explaining the way that do it without the option calculator. Yo, Nor. I just think he's busy right now.
He might be on the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, I just suck at explaining the way that he does it. But you just literally go to a website, just an options calculator. Just literally Google it, and you input whatever information you need to put it for the calculator to calculate it. But typically, you don't want to do that unless you're swinging. Because most times you're not taking trades literally in the first 5 to 10 seconds. It's like you have time to actually see how much the contracts are.
What do you mean ungated? I don't understand that. Am I tripping, Frankie?
I think it's the same day
'Cause it doesn't-
contracts.
Yeah, it's not letting them trade an hour before market close.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I didn't read that. Yeah, it's almost unless it's out of the money contracts. TOS is the same way. Every broker's not gonna let you do that if it's same day contracts. Yeah. And you don't want to be trading that late anyway, Zach. Why you trading fucking 10 minutes into the weekend?
Wow.
Yo,
That's our
is
deal
that
of the
new?
day.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't see anything yet.
Yeah, I don't see anything. I just see it happening.
I have Discord pulled up on the news, but nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Yeah. Elon Musk says he's gonna slap the shit out of Trump tomorrow in the Oval Office.
Yo.
Imagine it's one of those.
So that would be a viral video.
Oh wait, no, volume picked up, bro. There has to be news. There's no way that's regular. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's only $3, but that's how the first big move happened last time. It was like
310 or what?
yeah,
You with that or not?
yeah, I'm down.
Like,
Whoa, that's not news.
I haven't seen
I don't
nothing.
see
bro.
anything. My phone hasn't said anything. Yet,
Me
so-
either, bro. I'm on the news, but
Elon did assault someone in the Oval Office. Where? Send that, Ripley. I doubt it. But not today. Oh, come on. Thought you were gonna hit me with, yeah, he finally ended up fighting Zuckerberg.
I forgot.
Yo,
Was
weren't
that
they
during
supposed to do
COVID?
that?
I don't know if it was COVID.
I feel like it was a little bit after COVID.
nah, it might not be news. What the fuck? Is that a real link? Should I click that? Yeah. it's New
No,
York.
I'm not clicking shit on.
It's
Oh,
New
no,
York
actually,
Post. Fun.
Yeah, never mind.
Yo.
The thing is, nothing. The market didn't even flinch on that either.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was just Tesla, right?
I don't see nothing else moving like that. You know what pisses me off, Nor, sometimes? Is like, you know how, Mumu, you have to clear those alerts?
Yeah.
And then you're like, right there, it's crunch time, trying to set the alert because it's coming. And
Yeah.
like, it's full. It's like, fuck. Deleting this shit right now.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my calendar, bro. This looks crazy.
Hey guys, Frankie, if we get one.
Yo, Frankie. Whenever you get the
Yo.
chance, Ian said, "Can you pick the giveaway winner?"
Yo,
Got
you
you.
good?
I'm doing DMs right
Send
now.
me
so you're
what his PayPal is.
gonna give me a moment.
Frankie, the last giveaway winner that Ian picked, can you send me the PayPal that you picked?
That's I'm doing DMs for all accounts right now, so I'll let you.
All right.
What is that?
He's doing it right now. Yeah, look at my calendar, George. I just sent it. I don't know if that's too small, but that's June.
You know what the most impressive part is, bro?
What?
On Tuesday, you lost 5,000.
That is the craziest.
That is crazy,
Bro, I
bro.
was so stupid, bro. I was up nicely on the video, and I was just like, "Fuck it." It was during boot camp. Like boot camp was green, and I held for one more cent break, literally.
No, I mean, I don't know what people want. Like, that's risk management at its fucking finest, bro. That don't get no better than that.
What's the over under for this month, guys? What do you think? Realistically, not every day is a banger.
At this rate, over
Hold on,
500.
Frank. What'd you say? I think 650.
650.
Yeah.
I think 500's calm.
Yeah,
At this
calm. I
rate,
can
he's
get
like,
there
No,
like just
no, I
chilling.
think 650 is calm, bro. He has 2.5, 3 weeks to fucking go, and he's almost
Yeah, but
halfway
we've
there.
been. But I had a crazy day on Thursday though. I was like 100 and something thousand.
All right, 600.
Wait, why does it say? Oh, it says 58 on Thursday because I made a withdrawal. I hate when it does that, bro.
it does that on IB too.
Yeah.
It ruins the
Does
chart
it?
and the look for it. On IB, yeah.
And then yesterday it says 20 because I had that swing. Whatever. I mean, it shows my actual P and L.
Yeah.
My P and L is accurate. 322. Google's still going, by the way.
Doing what?
Did you ever give me back my phone?
No. Yeah, you gotta make your setup so that you can look. I can look like. Yeah, I can show you.
I mean, the new setup is gonna be different.
Huh?
I have the setup ready to go for the other one.
Because if it's not like if it's not showing your face, bro, it's not gonna like the engagement not gonna be as good.
Yo, what card did you use, Ian? What card did you use?
Like,
The fuck?
why did I use something?
Could have been. Hold up, Mew. Chill.
You put that for the chat.
No.
See, everybody's done and left. Anur's still here. I'm good. I'm good. Tesla looks like Tesla played out as we spoke about in the lesson yesterday. If you missed the lesson, I highly suggest going back and watching the recording. I'm good, Hanson. How are you doing? Upside? I can't tell yet. It has to leave the consolidation. Oh, you mean the Tesla thing? Yeah, we spoke about the upside in the lesson yesterday. Oh, QQQ. I don't have anything on QQQ. Like I need this to leave the consolidation and then I'll have a trade. But it's setting up nicely for a setup for me. What's up, Addy? How's it going, Yaz? Yeah. What's cool about WAP is the lessons are recorded. So you can always go back and again I wouldn't say that normally, but this is course week. Course week, if you're struggling, you have to be there for course week. Or at least rewatch them. It looks like everyone did well. Hey Mubarak, bro. Thank you.
Yo, does anybody know an interior designer?
I do.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
Even in the
Yeah.
office? Like some cool shit? Like the office. Like some office shit, like where it looks crazy, like for a streamer shit.
Oh,
Do you want somebody in person or online works?
Hmm. I think maybe both. I don't know. But yeah, yo, DM it to me, anybody. And why you have someone, Maki?
Yeah, but they're abroad. So if it's in person,
Bro.
just find somebody in Jersey.
Hmm. I want like a cool setup. In person, does it matter if it's in person or abroad?
Yeah, because they check the spacing of, like, let's say you want a couch, they need the actual measurements.
In Tesla differently. I think if we get this, I think if we get this three, we come up here. Maybe just New York then. Back in the market, and Tesla's
Yeah.
green. So yeah, this is good. I don't want to go through a link or anything like that, guys. So. Like I said, 350.
Nice, Roz. It's good. What's up, Beans?
Maki, you just said something recently?
Nah, I was talking to the chat.
Oh.
My setup is getting closer, so that's why I'm waiting. My setup is gonna be QQQ puts if we drop here. If we rally, then I'll have a different setup. Tesla's back, but
Yo,
I don't know if you guys want.
I
Are
just
we
saw
taking?
bro, I was in my car getting ready to leave, and then you said that.
No way.
Yeah.
You left your PC. You leave your PC on?
Yeah, always. Yeah.
Me too. Until market closes,
ca-
and then
in
I'll
ca-
put it to sleep.
Yeah, in case something like this happens. Yeah.
The fuck? Yo, you see this candle though?
Yeah. My alert's
Volume.
still the same area.
You're gonna take it at the 80 cent level?
I was thinking 70. But because that's where we've been rejecting, I think that may be a little too risky.
Yeah.
Might have to wait for 80.
Oh, the 1 hour looks crazy on Tesla.
Yeah, I think for me it was the 30-minute. The one that I really liked a lot on. Yeah. That's ahead of the market too.
Yo,
Dude,
Yo,
Tesla.
what's y'all's alert?
same area.
70 cents, it looks like. It'd be the 325 calls.
You still got 200 people in here? That's
Yeah, I
crazy.
know. That was the first. Like, I just looked at him. What the fuck?
I'm only gonna try this once, so.
Trying it once, that means okay.
Market trying to pull back here.
Yeah,
Tesla's
Tesla's in a good spot right now.
Yeah. I put my alert at 317.62. Oh my god. The fuck? I got in, Frankie. It's not a signal, by the way. This is.
I'm still waiting.
You waiting for 70 on the dot?
Yeah. Unless I see like maybe 68, 69 on the ask.
Fuck is this candle?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Yo.
What the fuck? I'm up 70K for the day.
I sold right there. Oh my
Nice.
god. Let's go.
How much you made on that?
Made 1200 on that. Like 1300.
I sold a third Nor.
Nice.
Oh, baby. God damn.
I bought more, George.
Oh lord, low.
I'm gonna sell half on a 319 break.
I'm selling another third here. That's 319 break.
Market's crashing.
Yes.
Every single time.
But it's like candle's still holding up.
I
though.
understand, but like the least it could do is just chill out for
Yeah.
one time.
It is annoying, yeah.
I'm gonna sell half on a 319 break, George.
There's
Yeah,
a
I'm gonna
small
sell another
wall at 319. So
What's your trailing Nor?
Yo, look at the fucking market.
Yeah, market's not being beneficial here.
7 seconds left on this candle. So hopefully it just closes green here.
Oh,
Fine.
this looks.
There you go.
He's gonna have a fat candle here soon.
Market's still with another red candle here.
What's your trailing Nor?
I don't know. Stupid ass market right there.
NQ just wicked. Just almost went red to
What time
green.
is it? 11 now. It's almost lunchtime.
Yeah, NQ just had a aggressive, really aggressive red to green.
Yo,
We got 30
What's-
seconds here on this candle.
What's the high? 95 cents?
Yep.
Yeah.
what are you doing, nigga?
You want me to set an alert or you?
I got
No,
one.
good.
Okay, George
Nah,
got it.
nigga, why do you sound
What's
so
your next
fucking
level?
angry?
320.
Red to green here. Following
we-
the market.
This
Like, what do
nigga,
we
he
do
sounds so
here,
grumpy
George?
for
Do
some
we-
reason.
I'm selling another third, and I'm gonna hold the last
fucking
third
high.
the
for,
adventure
for
shit that we
320,
saw last night. You
or I
remember we
can
saw it?
possibly add at 320. But I'm getting rid of another third here at least.
For sure.
Yeah,
What?
for sure. And then depending on how
Yeah,
320 approaches,
hit
I'm either just
3 points.
holding
It
that
It hit
last
almost 4
third,
mil, nigga.
or I'll add if it lets me. I'm
It
There you
just
go.
broke.
I
It broke.
sold there. Sold a third, so I only got a third left now.
All right.
670.
Yo, what if he seems to high cap? I might take a quick play
I
on
got
it to the downside.
319.80.
Oh, I forgot I'm sharing my fucking screen. I gotta take that off. Chat's just gonna copy exactly what I do. Guys,
Yeah.
target's already hit. You're up crazy.
Yeah, this was my final target, 319.50, and
What's-
then I was supposed to take 320 as a separate trade, but I'm in here now.
I haven't even sold a piece yet. I'm going to though.
Should I look to scalp 320? I'm thinking of it.
Where would you enter at if you were?
Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what contracts right now. Cause I'm trying to do this on
325
Mumu
still.
right now. So
I stick to 325s, Frank.
George, I'm gonna sell half.
Yeah.
I haven't sold anything yet. I'm gonna sell half on the 320 break, most likely, my dumbass.
Alright.
Actively in the trade right now, like
I will add at 85 if I like the momentum.
oh shit. Oh, okay.
Market
But
better not
again,
be-
I'm only in with a third.
all right.
How did it
Yeah,
go?
So
I'm
if
in
I
my full
add, I'm
position.
gonna add full position and then sell half right away on the 320 break.
Yo,
my alert's gonna be at 75 cents.
nigga, I literally your mic didn't work at the time.
Market doing some weird shit
Your
again.
mic isn't working like 50% of the time.
That 80-cent level is a big level.
Yo, patience with a bigger size is way different.
than swinging.
Nah, like
Or
right now it'd be. Is this a new high? 70, right?
about to be.
Oh, it's about to. Let's make a move.
this over with here.
You guys taking it what 80 cents?
I added already.
All right. Is there a
Oh,
big
that's for
wall there?
That's annoying.
What happened?
And that's for my like ID code for Mumu when I tried buying. The wall's like 100,000 by the way.
That's not.
I guess I'm skipping for now unless we get a pullback. So.
Why are you skipping? It's still below
You
the
still got
entry.
time. Yeah, still
Yeah, I
below
know,
80.
I know. That's why I'm wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a pullback now.
All right.
Hold that.
This needs to come on right through right here.
Problem is, I think I'm chasing 6 figures, and if this happens, I'll make 6 figures. So I want to like. Oh, there we go. Oh my god,
10 cents.
10 cents. Don't do any stupid shit.
Setting an alert too, just in case.
Selling half on the break, guys, and selling another half as we continue to push above 320. I've been in since I said I was in before at like 317, 318, whatever that number was. I forgot.
They're talking about Tesla, Jira. They're talking about Tesla.
Who?
No, somebody asked what stock.
Oh. Thought that was on the news or something.
What's your trailing here, Nor?
Yo, you keep asking. I don't know.
No, my fault, my fault. All right.
That 80, the level is respecting.
80 what?
Wait. That could be good.
80 cents is a big level.
On 319.80 or 318.80?
Yeah, 319.80 from the 1 hour. If that breaks, I don't think 320 is like this should see like 22.
Yeah, at least
If
21.
80 breaks.
I'm not taking that chance though. I'm gonna just market pulled back. Struggling right now.
$0.65 is probably gonna be my stop here, Nor.
All right. Need to start going now. Once I see 319.65, I'll know I have this in the bag. If you guys are looking to play Tesla again, I know we just caught a big move. 319.74 is the entry for the 320 break. That's just a scalp break. Scalp entry.
decent candle while the market's weak.
So what?
Decent candle while the market barely flinched.
Yeah, but it is up a lot. ATR, it's up $11, so gotta be careful here. This ain't the same from before. This is going to be quick once it gets to 75 cents. The wall's not big enough to hold it back. So just keep that in mind. Market just pulled back. Did it break? It just oh my god.
Broke.
I sold half. Oh my god, bro.
Is that the break that you got?
Holy, I just sold there.
Nice,
Yo.
Frankie.
Yo, Mumu
Oh,
on the
shit.
phone is so clean.
Yo, what are we doing here
Damn.
for the oh, you sold everything, right,
fuck?
Frankie?
Yeah, I sold right there on the
I'm in
top.
with a third left, Nor, but I'm with whatever you talking about right here.
All right.
Holy shit. Oh my
I
god.
sold 2/3 on that break.
Sold
Yeah, I'm
half.
also up again.
Market's falling.
That's
What's the
only
high?
thing here.
Bitcoin. I'm up
50
28.
cents
I'm
on
up
the dot.
30%, but that's like
Yo,
$3
that was
right
so
now.
Quick.
I'm up 86,000 here.
That's up I'm up a Jenny, nigga.
That
No,
honey
the coin
bun
is
just
actually
Yeah,
good.
it's
I don't know
coming.
why it's not migrating.
50 just broke.
321 is
fucking
target.
Soulflare with
Rest of the target.
220k followers.
I'm
Literally
For
said
everybody
meet
else,
Sia, the youngest
that you do
Solana
what you need to
artist.
do here.
So then they
I'm
made a
holding
coin
this last
called
third
Sia,
with you.
youngest
Do it.
Solana artist, and it's
20
literally
cents.
at 60k right
Oh
now.
Lord and Lord!
Oh my,
And
I'm
I'm
out.
still holding.
I'm out.
Six figures?
I'm out.
Nah, 91.
A Tesla?
Damn. Hey, I count. Hey, this right at the trend, Nor. Also.
Yeah. You think we did good?
Oh yeah.
No, that was beautiful, bro.
That was perfect.
I shared my screen the whole time, guys. I usually don't do that just so you guys don't try to copy exactly what I'm doing.
Yo, George, how do I get to that Mumu screenshot?
Go to the accounts tab,
Okay.
and then when you go to the accounts tab, click
It's just bonded.
P&L. Hold up. Total assets right next to the PL analysis,
Okay.
and then top right.
I see.
No,
Okay.
no, but top right, there's like a
Yeah,
little
you
box
might
with a
91.
little arrow-ish next to
Yeah.
the three dots.
91,000.
Click
Mhm.
the that,
Yo, I hate when the comment.
and then just go to account P&L on the tab, and then you can change it around if you want it to be with just the Mumu thing or the green with the toy looking Mumu thing.
Yo, this is so sick.
Yo, I hate when the comments say that you get emotional while trading. Bro, I'm literally happy for like 5 seconds, and I didn't even flinch, making what 40K right there. Bro, I asked Einstein in the interview, if you guys watched it, do you still get emotional? You get hyped? You get tight? He said that he still gets hyped till this day, and he's been on Wall Street for 50 years. So they can hop off me. Forget. I'm at $91,500. No emotions.
So keep that.
Straight
You
right
can,
now.
I actually knew the
Say
token
that?
was really
You
good. I
just
just
caught the
sized
big
into it
move.
with more money than usual.
$91,506.
Hey, on the cool though, but
Yeah,
fuck
if
with
you
the
know the
ticket,
token
yo.
is good,
hold on,
just fucking size into
George,
it
can
heavy.
I get a?
That's all that it
Can
is.
I get a
Loading.
load and low?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maki, you would have held here, or you got
I
out
feel like
with
it topped
you would
out
have got
around
out there.
here, maybe. I don't know. It's possible.
That trend was yo. We sold that
wait
peak
for the
as of
next
right now.
candle to
No,
run
I
at
got
a
out. I
33.
was gonna try to
I don't
let it
wanna
run
round trip
because
too
I
much,
think Frank
maybe.
Maki was saying 322, but that trend is right there, bro. I'm not fucking around with that shit right now. That was a good trade, and that was peak sell.
I'm 8,500 short now, so I don't really care, so I'm gonna keep it that way.
That's so cool.
I bet.
That shit's fire, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it says it got deleted. What the hell?
Where?
Do you see the screenshot, like the P&L screenshot for the Mumu?
Yeah.
Oh, it says it's deleted. Oh.
No.
Wait, he sent it? Where'd you
Yeah,
send it?
it's on the chat.
in the
Oh,
chat.
This
Oh, shit.
WAP chat.
Wop chat. Yeah.
You took a light size?
I just did 20 contracts. Yeah, I was trying to figure out why I got rejected the first time.
You did 20 contracts?
Yeah, why is that not light?
No, I did 15.
Oh,
Oh, he didn't hold with us though.
That's
no,
true.
yeah, I sold on the pop,
That's true,
bro. Like,
that's true.
yeah, this contract just moved instantly. I was like,
Yeah.
alright.
I'm
That
happy you
rest
missed
is a
that
new
because
day.
I think you would have stopped out.
He would have.
I think so too. Yeah, it was way
would've.
too steep. 'Cause those contracts went from worst case, I bought at 525. They hit 465. Yeah.
Hey, there's this fucking loud ass bird outside of my window.
4.2K
It's just
on
screaming.
the day?
Yeah, JB. There's like a
He said,
lock.
Frankie, you need to remove the order confirmation in the options. In the options.
I think I already did that. It was just like
It's
when
gonna be a couple
you.
more times, bro. It's a moo thing, and then to be honest, I'm gonna be honest with you. Take a fucking trade with one contract on the PC just to make sure.
Yeah, I got you.
Because I
30.
think it's like two or three
Yeah, that's
different
light
ones,
work.
and then you
That's
can
light
even
work,
take
nigga.
one. The thing is, you already took one on the phone though, so that don't make
Yeah,
sense.
that's actually some
Yeah,
good
when
shit,
I
nigga.
first got on
Damn.
the phone for the first time, like that trade that I told you about, I had like
Hey, Nor,
multiple things come up,
I know,
and
nigga.
I got
Yo,
Yo,
rejected.
this
from
nigga's
just
actually
that trade, it
crazy.
was
Noor is actually crazy, nigga.
33,756. Just letting y'all know.
You're disgusting. Jesus Christ, bro.
what's up?
Bro, I gotta chill, bro. Every time I say I'm gonna chill, it's like there's no chill.
Well, now we can take
Nigga,
it light
don't worry.
size
You'll
though.
get there soon. Nigga, he's been trading
What?
for
A new
8 years,
high?
you know?
No,
So you
no.
know,
Oh,
you'll
just
get
No,
there.
fucking.
he's talking
I'm
about in
playing. I'm playing.
general.
I'm playing.
Oh.
But you'll get there.
I'm playing.
But fuck, nigga.
Hey,
I think I got a little
Meta
bit.
just broke low a day there.
I think I got a
I
little
thought you
bit
said
too
high
clippy.
again. I
Low
was like,
key.
no way.
No, no, just broke
Low
low.
key, low key.
That's
I don't know.
consolidating. I love it.
I
That's
knew
gonna
the
be a
token
good
was
setup
really
when we
good
get
though,
that.
so I just fucking held.
Yeah, the
Yo,
707.
shout out to
705.
Nor. He's not like Eddie.
I saw from the corner of my eye too. I would have missed it.
What?
Tesla.
Like Tesla.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah, nah, if you wouldn't have said nothing, I wouldn't have logged back in.
Eddie would have told us $5 later.
Yeah, after he already cashed out.
Oh, he's in the cheese listening here.
Yeah, where's he at?
He's laughing right now on our
Yeah. What was it? Yeah. 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 Wait, go over that again, nigga. I deadass didn't understand what the fuck you were saying, nigga. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh shit, and you sold way too early. It's still earlier than what you really wanted to sell at. Yeah. At least you didn't bitch out. That's all that matters, you know? You forgot your levels, you forgot all that shit. Oh shit. Nigga, yeah. Nigga, you're a good trader. You just kind of need to. Yo, Loki, you should kind of write down what you're planning on doing then, nigga, and just look over it at trading. Like that, ass. Put a sticky note, nigga. Just put a sticky note. Yeah. Yeah. No, I got two clippy, nigga. Yo, if I rolled 100%, I would have been up more than. I'm only on 97% right now, and it's at 200K. 0.04. That's probably the most I bought in within the last 2 weeks. But nah, nigga, we're slowly getting back, nigga. Slowly getting back. Yeah.